हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप लोग सब बहुत 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 अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का व्लॉग स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम द लास्ट वीक वेयर वी वेंट टू पैरामीटा पार्क वीकेंड में, जस्ट टू स्टार्ट आवर वीकेंड। व्हाट आई लव अबाउट ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज जस्ट हाउ मच इट इज़ ब्लेस्ड विथ नेचुरल ब्यूटी। मतलब आप कहीं भी चले जाएं आस पड़ोस में, देयर इज नेचुरल ब्यूटी एवरीवेयर। एंड ऑल्सो just how much Aussies are so passionate about, preserving their flora and fauna and wildlife. It is something to learn from them. और कितने फिटनेस फ्रीक है भाई, these guys just love being outdoors. मतलब बारिश हो, सर्दी पड़े, गर्मी हो, they will always go outdoors, go out for a run, have coffee. तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना हम भी पैरामीटा पार्क में थोड़ा सा कॉफ़ी लेते हैं। एंड हम पहुंच गए मेका में इन वेस्टफील्ड। Mecca was running an event on the occasion of Mother's Day and they asked us if they wanted to try few of the products and we were like, yeah, why not? तो सबसे पहले we did was cleanse our face with these wipes, and they aren't the regular wipes, guys. These are just to be used once a week, and they were so good. The next product was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and guys, you have to stay till the end of the video to see everything we bought from Mecca. This mist was too good. The next was the serum from Summer Friday. This is a Deep Oasis Summer Hydration Serum. This was just so good, guys. And इन्होंने हमें ये भी बताया कि सीरम को कैसे यूज़ करना है। तो आपको अपने फिंगर टिप्स में सीरम को थोड़ा सा वार्म करना है। वार्म करने के बाद आपको अपने स्किन में सीरम को अच्छे से पैट करके उसको अच्छे से अब्जॉर्ब करने देना है। सो जैसे मैं आई एम डूइंग इट इन द सर्कुलर मोशन, ऐसे ना करके अगर आप स्किन को नीचे से ऊपर तक ऐसे करके पैट करके अपने स्किन में सीरम को अच्छे से प्रेस करेंगे, देन दैट विल डू अ बेटर रिजल्ट्स। एंड यू हैव टू गिव some time to try between the different serums that you are using. Ideally, if you give a gap of 3 to 5 minutes, that would be really good. Next was Glow Recipes Avocado Recovery Serum, and this was also very good, guys. So if you have the budget for it, you can have it. I love this Naked Ka 3-in-1 serum. This was so good. It has a serum, it has a moisturizer and sunscreen all in one. So if you are in a hurry, you should definitely try it. And Irene over at Mecca, she was so good since my mom is having a lot of difficulties with her right hand. So she, volunteered and said that I'm going to do it for you. And my mom was feeling so, happy and pampered, guys. So thank you, Irene, for, doing that to my mother. And then there was this very nice sleeping lip sleeping what do you say टिंट, इसको लगा के आपने सोना है। एंड शाम को हमारे घर में दावत थी, गाइस. सो दिस इज ऑल दैट वी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द दावत. कृष्ण आई, वी लव होस्टिंग दावत एट आवर प्लेस. दिस इज आवर वे ऑफ रिवाइंडिंग विथ friends, just having good food and laughter together. So for starters we made this vada pav, and then there was these shami kebabs. And my friend is from Bangladesh, so this was the first time she was trying the vada pav, and she said that she really enjoyed them. ये धनिया पुदीना की चटनी ये चार चांद लगा देती है हर एक रेसिपी पे. These kids, they go to school together, they go to after school together, and they just love spending time with each other, which is just such a blessing, guys. उसके बाद दावत में था, this was basmati rice, caramel pudding made by my mom, then garma garam parathe, then there was chicken razala, this was a coconut based egg curry, dal makhni, then there was mutton tihari, and my favorite, this is tomato and dates ka chutney. This is a Bengali recipe, guys, and you should definitely try it. हमने sweets में there was ice cream, and then there was caramel pudding, and हम लोगों ने ये सारा खाना खाते खाते गप्पे मारते मारते बहुत ही अच्छा सा टाइम स्पेंड किया. और ये बच्चे इतने शरारती है, guys, just look at them, so happy. And yes, this is our finishing our Saturday evening, very fulfilling Saturday evening, and everything that I got from Mecca. So the first thing is this Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is a Korean brand, guys, and it helps with the instant hydration. I've never had a mist as effective as this one. This I can definitely say. Next is the brightening vitamin C serum from Mecca. Now I plan to use it after after I wash my face during the day, I have some uneven skin tone, and this does says that it's going to gently brighten and smoothen my skin. Uske baad I got this hyaluronic acid hydration serum. This I plan to apply after my vitamin C serum, and it says it will help reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, and overall make the skin very healthy and hydrated, that I really require at this point in time because my skin is so dehydrated. Raat ke liye I've got the Mecca's retinol serum. This is to be applied at night. It is a form of a vitamin A, and it helps unclog pores that I really need at this point in time. I will start using these products from tomorrow, and I will definitely tell you how effective these products are, and if my skin is getting any healthier और कितना फ़र्क पड़ रहा है over the time period, मैं आपको सब बताने वाली हूँ. तो अगर आपको ये छोटा सा प्यारा सा vlog अच्छा लगे तो please do like and subscribe to our channel. That will mean a lot to us, and we do plan to get some nice cooking recipes, some talks on motherhood, some talks on balancing everything. And yes, my dear mothers, wishing you all a very, very, very happy Mother's Day. Thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe to That Indian Family Vlog.